Welcome back to Speed 998. Is this the most extraordinary transformation of the legendary Mazda MX-5 Miata to date? The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a vehicle that elevates the fundamental driving experience to unparalleled heights. Please remain vigilant as we investigate it. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is distinguished by a bold and commanding front fascia that gives homage to the Miata's history. The minimalist grille design is seamlessly integrated with the sleek LED headlamps, which resemble focused eyes. The sculpted hood is characterized by subtle curves that improve ventilation, while the front splitter is adorned with crimson accents, resulting in a dramatic appearance. This Miata is not merely a vehicle, it is a statement on the road. As it transitions laterally, the profile preserves the Miata's unique compact and lightweight appearance. The retractable soft-top design enhances aerodynamic efficiency, while the distinctive 19-inch black alloy wheels with red accents offer a striking contrast to the white exterior. The vehicle's performance potential is indicated by the side mirrors, which have a crimson luster, while the vehicle's lighthearted character is preserved. Additionally, the posterior design is an exceptional masterpiece. An impression of sophistication and intensity is conveyed by dual exhausts, an integrated diffuser, and aerodynamic taillights. The Miata's allure is preserved at night by the full-width LED light strip, which provides a contemporary appearance. The refined spoiler imperceptibly enhances its aerodynamics, while the distinguished Miata insignia showcases its lineage. Upon entering the 2025 MX-5 Miata, you are enveloped in a fusion of sportiness and opulence. A vivid contrast that embodies the car's dynamic nature is created by the black and red leather interior, which is visually arresting. A high-definition touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with the design is integrated into the streamlined dashboard. The vehicle's guarantee of exhilaration is demonstrated by the short-throw gear lever and flat-bottom steering wheel. Mazda's dedication to ergonomics that prioritize drivers is apparent in each contour and seam. The 2025 Miata is powered by a new 2.0-liter Skyactiv-X engine that produces 200 horsepower with precision and efficiency. The engine's responsiveness guarantees a pleasurable driving experience, regardless of whether one is navigating sharp turns or traveling on the highway. The control is improved by the lightweight chassis and the precisely adjusted suspension, resulting in an unforgettable driving experience. Mazda's mild hybrid technology offers enhanced efficiency while sustaining performance, making it an attractive option for those who are interested in innovation. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 Miata is not merely an update. It is a complete overhaul of a legendary automobile. This automobile guarantees a thrilling driving experience with its scintillating performance, driver-focused features, and creative design. Mazda has once again demonstrated that the thrill of motoring is alive and well. Would you like to take this exceptional vehicle for a test drive? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Additionally, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating assessments like this one.